Come test drive the 2018 Q3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, rear fog light, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.